Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just finished doing some lawn work. I want to show you how some of the container garden's going. So this right here is my cucumber plants I'm growing. These cucumbers specifically are pickling type cucumbers. Hopefully we get enough pickles or cucumbers from this. I'm gonna try my hand at some pickling late this summer or fall. Recap on pear tree my daughter and I grew from seed, and this is a library tree we got for free. It never leafed out. Sadly, neither did this tulip poplar of ours this year, but none of the branches are rigid or dry. It's actually green, so I'm hoping it's going to pull through. Pear tree, my other tree I got from the library for free. It was just an absolute stick when I planted it. It is a black walnut. Come up the stairs here. My ongoing potato slips. And I actually have a second bag of sweet potatoes growing now. All right, so what you see here was second garden, raised garden bed, third technically, that we filled. It was going to be for flowers. Only thing I ever started growing was you could kind of see those tiny bit of flowers there. But I thought, I have these crazy amount of strawberry stringer plants growing. You can see over here, they're just dangling everywhere. So I switched this one around, and these, if you lay them in the dirt, will start taking root. Like this one back here, it's actually getting rooted in pretty good now after some recent rain. And have a steady and continuous strawberry harvest. Marigold plant just hanging in there. More strawberries. Oh, what's up, butterfly? Didn't even notice you at first. Just kind of kicking it with that flower. See you doing your thing with I don't know if my zoom can get that, but that butterfly is doing a little pollinating. Back here are just some literal navy beans I tossed in here at random. And this raspberry bush. Now, I didn't realize this raspberry bush was supposed to get about 5 feet tall before it fruited out. Another black walnut, seedling, straight from a seed, stratified over the winter, along with some other ones on the balcony here. This is just avocado tree. Got 5 more in a row, black walnut seedlings. Turn around here, some of our spices, herbs, if you will, have a lot of beautiful, amazing flowers on them now. They're all very large. Starting to get these very attractive, I don't know why it won't zoom focus for me, these flowers on this hyssop. And down here, my 3-year-old Jersey blueberry bush. Now, I continuously see blueberries growing, but I never see any get actually blue. Now, this is a blueberry bush, and this is a blueberry bush, and you can see these are actually getting blue. And I think I don't get a chance to get them before the birds do. Haha, there's proof right there. It's like purple poop and everything in with that other tree. Raspberries coming in. Just a little bit of growth at a time. But everything is looking fantastic. Appreciate you watching. In this mullein here, I think this is the mullein. This one here's the mullein actually. That's catnip. And which one is this? Campaign. I'm not sure. Still learning all this stuff. But here's my typical American lawn. Just mowed. And appreciate you watching. You take care. Have a great day.